Thank you for joining me on the third video about the Lone Star Drilling Opportunity Assessment. In this video we're going to talk about cumulative distribution charts and their importance. I think this is one of the most important graphics to learn about and be able to describe to your decision makers. Now I do want to cover cumulative distribution graphs. There's a lot of discussion around this, and I've had it with several people who I thought would have been aligned with me, but they were not necessarily, because they believe that showing probability distribution graphs such as this are the way to talk to decision makers. And I contend that's not really the best way to do it. You need to invest a little bit of time in educating the decision makers, but really these cumulative distribution graphs are much easier. And as we'll see later on in this presentation, we're going to be seeing a lot of these, and we're going to be able to compare things. And that's what makes it really important to use the cumulative distribution graph for presentations. But they're the same thing. Let me explain. If I dropped a line through here, this red line, you can see that it hits the 10%. Well, what that means is that 10% of these bars over here, of all the bars, are below this red line. And 10% are above this red line. But you can't tell that by just looking at this. You can't tell the P10 or the P90. I mean, this is the typical normal distribution, right? But when you get things that look strange, this just doesn't work. It doesn't work. Like an expiration plate or something of that nature. So this is the way to show it, and you'll see how well that does show. Anyway, any questions on that? All right.